All right, everyone, the moment of truth. I got my dear friend here, Jenna, handing over my beautiful possession this fall season. Thank you, Jenna. Now I got the bag of the season, and I'm going to unbox it straight from Coach's store. All right, so Jenna, thank you so much. She prepared this entire package, from the bag to the box to the ribbon and everything. And look, look how beautiful this is. Look at that tag. Let me put that one aside. Let me just give a highlight to this beautiful tag. This is a leather Coach tag with my requested butterflies that she put in. These are all heat stamped. My name on it in gold heat stamp with a crown and a butterfly. Let's do it. Oops. There you go. In gold hardware. The moment of truth. Let's be gentle. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sealed. No one has ever touched it besides the artisan who made it. Right, Jenna? Let's open it. Here you go. As most of you now know, it's a Kisslock. What do you call that one? Kisslock framed bag. Kisslock framed bag. It's a vintage looking coin purse reinvented by Coach. Re-released by Stuart Deaver. Oh my God, the leather. This is in color brown with gold hardware. And oh my God, this is just beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's unpack. There you go. It is well protected, as always, because Coach delivers. They deliver optimum quality without prejudice. So the difference with this edition is that they now have the strap, which the previous one did not come with a strap. So they added more features to it. Oh my God, the strap is strapping. It also comes in this full grain leather, well handcrafted by the Coach artisans with gold hardware. Right there, they really maintained the structure of the bag, even though it is very supple, buttery soft leather. Look at that. This bag was actually made famous by Sarah Jessica Parker from one of the seasons of Sex and the City. She was carrying this bag. All right, you ready for the inside? You can put your dishes, you can put your laundry, anything and everything in it. You can put your grandmother. Everybody can get inside. This is a huge, huge Kisslock bag. Again, originally it was a coin purse version, and they reimagined it. Sarah Jessica Parker carries it this way because it's just soft. Any way you want, baby. And then you put in the straps just like so, and you get a shoulder bag. Look at that, baby. Look at that. You don't want the strap? Wear it as a clutch. Boom. You can't get enough? Hold on. You want a shoulder bag? Boom. Is it too long? Hold on. Here you go, baby. You just go over the loop, the D-ring rather, and clasp it to the same. Right there. You want it more secure to your body? Boom. Boom. Free hands. I'm telling you, babies, this bag, this Kisslock bag is very versatile and very stylish, timeless. This year and the past few years, Coach is delivering. Coach is really, really picking it up. And they don't play games. Leather work is their staple, baby. Once again, this is the Kisslock bag 2025. Only at Coach. Love you.